best switch panels for cars provide convenient, organized control of multiple devices, enhancing safety, functionality, and driving comfort. My today's video is about top 5 best switch panels for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Auxbeam RGB 6 gang switch panel. The Auxbeam RA66 gang switch panel is a versatile and stylish upgrade for any vehicle, offering both functionality and safety. Its RGB backlight with auto-dimming allows you to customize the panel with countless colors to match your car's ambience, automatically brightening in daylight and dimming at night to reduce eye strain. A convenient one-touch backlight off feature lets you quickly deactivate the lighting whenever needed. The panel supports 3 lighting modes: toggle, momentary, and pulsed, giving full control over devices like LED lights or horns, whether steady, strobe, or momentary. The memory function ensures your previous settings are restored automatically, making your experience seamless and personalized. Safety is prioritized with built-in solid-state relays, a resettable circuit breaker, and silicone protective cover, guarding against overcurrent, overvoltage, reverse polarity, overheat, and water damage. Universally compatible with 12-24V vehicles including cars, trucks, SUVs, boats, and RVs, the RA60 is a durable, reliable, and user-friendly solution for modern drivers. Now our second product is Nilight 90101E5 Gang Multifunction 5 Gang. The multifunctional 12V/24V switch panel is a versatile and reliable solution for managing your vehicle or marine electrical systems. Equipped with dual USB ports, a digital voltmeter, a 12V outlet, and 5 on-off rocker switches, this panel covers a wide range of power needs in one compact design. The real-time LED voltmeter keeps you informed of voltage status, while the pre-wired 15A fuse ensures robust safety against overloads, overcurrent, and short circuits. Built with IP65 waterproof rating, its splash-proof panel and water-resistant caps make it ideal for boats, RVs, ATVs, UTVs, trucks, trailers, and even airplanes, performing reliably in harsh environments. Installation is simple, thanks to pre-wired connections and 4 mounting screws, and the package includes DIY stickers for labeling your switches for organized control. Combining convenience, durability, and safety, this switch panel is a smart upgrade for any vehicle, marine craft, or off-road setup, ensuring seamless operation of all your electronic devices. Our third product is Nilight 4 Gang Rocker Switch. The multifunction 12V/24V switch box is a robust and versatile control solution for vehicles and marine applications. Featuring 4 20A rocker switches, a PD Type-C and QC 3.0 USB charger, and a built-in LED voltmeter, it allows you to manage multiple devices while monitoring your system's voltage in real time. The USB charger supports simultaneous fast charging for 2 devices, delivering up to 40% faster performance than standard chargers, making it ideal for phones, tablets, and other USB-powered gadgets. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, the switch box is weatherproof, waterproof, and splash-proof, protecting your electronics from short circuits and damage. Its surface mount design with a 360 degrees adjustable bracket offers flexible installation on dashboards, under consoles, or other locations. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, RVs, boats, and ATVs, it can control lights, winches, and off-road accessories. Glow-in-the-dark stickers allow for personalized labeling, making this switch box both functional and customizable for any setup. Now number 4, Auxbeam 6 Gang Switch Panel BC60. The Auxbeam 6 Gang switch panel is a highly practical and professional solution for organizing and controlling multiple 12V accessories in any vehicle. With 6 circuits, it can handle up to 720W of power and 60A current, operating reliably in extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius. Its automatic dimmable system intelligently adjusts brightness, dimming in dark conditions to protect your vision and brightening in daylight for easy control, enhancing both off-road and night driving experiences. Installation is straightforward with the plug-and-play wiring harness, fuse, relay, and temperature protection switch, and it offers two mounting options, a bracket or double-sided adhesive tape, eliminating the need for large cuts in your vehicle. Designed for wide applications, it suits trucks, pickups, UTVs, ATVs, cars, boats, and RVs, providing organized and safe control of electronic devices. The package includes the switch panel, control box, mounting hardware, 60 DIY stickers, zip ties, and clear instructions, all backed by 3-year aux-beam protection and responsive after-sales service, making it a reliable upgrade for any driver. And our last choice is aux-beam RC800 8-gang switch panel. The aux-beam 8-gang wireless switch panel, RC800, is a powerful, versatile solution for controlling multiple 12V/24V devices in vehicles, boats, or off-road rigs. Its wireless remote control works up to 165 feet, while the built-in strong magnet allows easy attachment to any metal surface, giving full flexibility to operate the panel inside or outside your vehicle. Featuring 3 lighting modes, toggle, momentary, and pulsed, plus customizable RGB colors, it lets you personalize your cabin ambience, with memory function recalling your settings instantly. The smart backlight off and auto-dimming system reduces glare and eye strain by adjusting brightness based on ambient light. Safety is top priority with solid-state relays, a 60A resettable breaker, and silicone waterproof covers, protecting against reverse polarity, overload, overheating, and water damage. Compatible with trucks, RVs, UTVs, and more, it allows multi-vehicle and multi-remote control. Quick plug-and-play installation with brackets, stickers, and covers makes setup easy, all backed by 3-year aux-beam warranty and 24/7 support. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.